I'm going to show you how to use the two new features for Kanban view. So the Smart Kanban now has title configuration for fields and also card size. So it's pretty simple but really useful for your processes. Let's go here, enable builder mode, edit the Smart Kanban. The first one, it's basically a switch. So I can click here. I eliminate this field title here, so the icon of the field, the name of the field, and I only leave the information. For most cases, you already know what you're talking about, so hot is about the temperature of the deal. I know because I'm already using this app, for example, so I don't need there to be something that says deal temperature, because it's kind of obvious if you're already know your process. So for most cases, I would recommend to not use the title. You save a lot of space on your app and reduces clutter as well for your users. The second one, it's card size. So you can find card size here. By default, it's the medium one, which was the same one that you were using in the past. But now you can make this large. So maybe you have like a long text, or you want them to be large because you have an image, for example, or lots of information. You can make it larger or smaller. So the small size is interesting because you have space for more stages on the same screen, and you can also fit more cards. So these are the new updates for the Smart Kanban. Hope you like it. If you have any feedback, just send us a message.